Hello everybody! 皆さんこんにちは、Yukiko です。Welcome to Kimono Lab Yukiko. Today I like to make Oyakodon. Oyakodon is a bowl of rice topped with chicken, eggs, and onion. Oyako means parent and child in Japanese, and don is a bowl of rice. It is very easy to make and it's very tasteful, so I hope you enjoy it. Okay, let's start cooking! Here are today's ingredients: half onion, 2 eggs. This is mitsuba to garnish later on. This is half chicken thigh. And of course we need mirin, soy sauce, this is sake here, and some sugar. I use brown sugar, but you can use any sugar you like. And some salad oil. Okay, I think it's ready. There you go. When you make oyakodon, the pan should be just the right size to fit in the chicken and also the onions. You don't want to be too big. While we wait, let's make the sauce. Sake, 2 tablespoons of sake, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And blend it well until the sugar dissolves. Then I put onion slice. Two eggs. Egg, but not once at a time. Divide it into 2. It's ready. Turn off the heat. Voila. Okay, let's have some taste. Wow, so soft. Toro toro. Oishishou. Okay, いただきます。You know, I like the onion. It's a bit crunchy, so I cooked this chicken first and then put the onion later. but some people do at the same time, and some people just boil with marinated sauce. But I like it this way. Good. Okay, so I've already prepared rice here today. Yoisho. Right, 親子丼の出来上がり。Bon appetit! Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and please try because this is super easy, and there are so many varieties of donburi series like beef, cutlet, pork cutlet, eel, and what else? Just an eggs. Oh, and tempura too. If you have any request or comment, please let me know, and please subscribe my channel. Till next time, bye for now. Sayonara.